Yeah, that awkward moment when Venmo cuts you off at the digital knees. Frustrating, right? But fear not, fellow Cash App warriors, because there's a solution: Venmo verification. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why verification exists in the first place. Venmo, like many financial apps, operates under federal regulations. These regulations help prevent money laundering, fraud, and other shady activities. By verifying your identity, Venmo ensures you're a real person, not a bot set up to siphon off funds. Plus, on the flip side, verification unlocks a whole new level of Venmo freedom. We're talking sending larger sums, saying goodbye to transfer limitations, and getting the most out of your money-moving experience. So, how do you actually become a Venmo VIP, verified important person, obviously? It's easier than you might think. Step 1. Dive into your Venmo app. This is where the magic happens, so grab your phone and get ready to navigate. Step 2. Find the Me tab. This is usually represented by your profile picture or initials chilling in the corner. Tap on that bad boy. Step 3. Look for the Holy Grail, Settings. It might be a gear icon, or tucked away under some mysterious menu option. Whatever it looks like, find it and tap it. Step 4. Behold, the Identity Verification option. This is the key that unlocks the Venmoverse. Okay, maybe not the entire Venmoverse, but a much bigger and better part of it. Step 5. Get ready to prove you're you. Venmo will ask you for some basic info, like your legal name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Don't worry, Venmo takes security seriously, so your info is safe. Step 6. Welcome to Verification World, almost. In most cases, Venmo uses a magic verification system that does its thing in the background. If all your info matches up perfectly, you'll be verified in a jiffy, and you won't even need to break a sweat. Step 7. But sometimes, magic needs a little help. If your information has a typo, or if the verification gods are feeling grumpy, you might need to provide some additional proof of your identity. This could involve snapping a clear picture of your driver's license or another government-issued ID. Step 8. Patience is a virtue. Once you've submitted your ID, it might take Venmo a day or 2 to process it. Don't panic. Just relax, maybe catch up on some cat videos, and trust the system. Step 9. The glorious verification email, hopefully. If all goes well, you'll receive a triumphant email from Venmo announcing your verified status. Do a victory dance, high-five your dog, celebrate, you've officially leveled up your Venmo game. Bonus tip: keep your info fresh. Life happens, and sometimes your address or other details might change. To keep your verification smooth sailing, make sure to update your information within the app whenever necessary. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Venmo ing.